So I have a very simple recipe for you. This is hummus. Have you ever heard about hummus? Hummus is made from chickpea. Chickpea is high in fiber, high in protein, good fats I'm going to be using as well. You can follow me on the screen, so let's start. So I'm going to be using 2 cups of chickpea already cooked and drained. I'm going to put it right here in my food processor. All right, so this is my chickpea. Then I'm going to be adding my onions. Now, I like to use the onions somewhat roasted. So if you like onion, you can put a lot of onion. The onions are there. Then 2 cloves of garlic, chopped. All right. And that, I am now going to add my tahini. Now, tahini is made from sesame seed. It's similar to peanut butter. This has good fat, the omega-3 fatty acids. So if you don't want to get heart disease or even colon cancer, this is good fat you can use. Now, if you're talking about Mediterranean dish, it's never complete without your lemon. So I'm using lemon juice, about 1/3 cup or 1 large lemon. Then to that, I'm going to be adding a cup of water. All right, so I'm adding my water there. Then I'm adding some cumin. All right, so this is a cumin. And then I'm going to be adding a pinch of salt. Now remember, too much salt is not good, and we're using sea salt. Sea salt has more minerals. Then for color, I'm doing roasted pepper. All righty, very simple dish. I'm going to blend all of that together. I'm going to process this. So let's see what happens here. All right, so we're going to process this. Now you can check the consistency to see if it's too soft, if it's too hard. If it's too hard, you can add some more water. So I'm checking here. This is very good for me. Looks very delicious. All right. Now, how do you consume hummus? I have the final dish already prepared right here for you. So this can be used as a dip. It's actually a dip. You could use your pita chip. You could use vegetables. Remember that if you really want to prevent colon cancer or any disease, chronic diseases, lots of vegetables. So don't hesitate to use your green vegetables and just enjoy as a dip. Let me try this that I prepared earlier. Delicious. So if you want more recipe, go to my website, drdonacooper.com.